And Prince Carlo draws for your lead. Just like it is on the outside, moving up by the fly, and I fly. Typhoon Doding as they race towards the last 900. We have number one flyer, I fly. Moving up is Just Like It, Prince Carlo, Typhoon Doding, and Graceful Conqueror. Past the 900 meters mark, Fly and I Fly takes command over Just Like It by the Typhoon Doding and Graceful Conqueror. Rounding at the last 600, Fly and I Fly, leading the field by about 4 lengths. Running now in second is Prince Carlo, Typhoon moving up by the rail, Just Like It shuffled back in fourth, and Graceful Conqueror as they swing for home. Fly and I Fly, followed now by Typhoon Doding outside it, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Fly and I Fly, followed by Typhoon Doding. Prince Carlo is on the outside, and finally the finish line, it's the favorite, Fly and I Fly. Second, Typhoon Doding, close with Prince Carlo, then comes Graceful Conqueror, and Just Like It.